Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to see a Wi-Fi password on an iPhone in iOS 18. This method works on any iPhone model, but only if you are running the latest version of iOS, which is iOS 18. So let's dive right in. To get started, open the Passwords app on your iPhone. It will use Face ID to verify you and unlock the app. Then tap Wi-Fi. Now, you can see all the Wi-Fi networks that your device has connected to in the past. Select the Wi-Fi network you want to see the password for. After selecting the desired Wi-Fi network from the list, tap where it says Password. It will display the saved password for that particular network in plain text format, making it convenient for you to copy or share. That wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this process, please let me know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.